Hosta Rainforest Sunrise, a gardener's guide. I'm Ferb Vu, and I've been cultivating hostas for years. The Hosta Rainforest Sunrise is a captivating variety that consistently attracts attention in my garden. Here, I'll answer some common questions about this unique plant and how to care for it. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is Hosta Rainforest Sunrise? The Hosta Rainforest Sunrise is a compact, mound-forming perennial prized for its striking foliage. Unlike its green cousins, this hosta boasts thick, oval leaves with a vibrant chartreuse to yellow center, framed by a contrasting dark green margin. The effect is like a hand-painted picture, bringing a splash of color to shady areas. These beauties mature to a height of 10 to 12 inches, with a spread of up to 16 inches. In June and July, they produce delicate, funnel-shaped lavender flowers on upright stalks, adding a touch of elegance to their colorful foliage. How to care for Hosta Rainforest Sunrise. Here's the good news. Caring for Hosta Rainforest Sunrise is relatively simple. Light. While they tolerate full shade, these hostas truly thrive in partial shade. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Hosta Rainforest Sunrise prefers consistently moist soil. Water deeply during dry spells, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Soil. They're not picky eaters. They'll do well in average to moist soil, from sandy to clay loam. Amending the soil with organic matter like compost will improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. Fertilizer. A light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring will give your rainforest sunrise a boost. Deer resistance. Deer tend to find hostas unpalatable. This is a plus for gardeners in areas with deer populations. Planting and propagation. Planting your Hosta Rainforest Sunrise is straightforward. Choose a location with dappled sunlight and well-drained soil. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and amend the soil with compost. Water deeply after planting and keep the soil consistently moist until established. Propagating your Hosta Rainforest Sunrise can be done by division in early spring or fall. Simply dig up the mature plant. Carefully separate the sections with a sharp knife, ensuring each division has healthy roots and buds. Replant the divisions, water them well, and care for them as you would newly planted hostas. Common questions about Hosta Rainforest Sunrise. Does Hosta Rainforest Sunrise change color throughout the season? Yes. The vibrant yellow center of the leaves will soften to a chartreuse green as the season progresses. Is Hosta Rainforest Sunrise fast-growing? No, it's a slow to moderate grower. Can I grow Hosta Rainforest Sunrise in containers? Absolutely. Choose a pot with good drainage and provide consistent moisture. What are some companion plants for Hosta Rainforest Sunrise? Ferns, Brunnera macrophylla, Siberian bugloss, and Heucheras, coral bells, all create a harmonious combination with the rainforest sunrise colors and textures. Hosta Rainforest Sunrise versus other Hosta varieties. Many gardeners wonder how Hosta Rainforest Sunrise compares to other popular varieties. Here's a quick breakdown. Hosta Gold Standard, similar bright yellow foliage, but larger in size and with a wider green margin. Hosta June, blue-green leaves with a creamy white margin. Offers a contrasting color scheme for a more dramatic effect. Hosta Francie, show-stopping green foliage with a broad, creamy white border. A classic choice for shade gardens. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your desired aesthetic and available space. The Hosta Rainforest Sunrise offers a unique combination of color and compact size, making it a standout addition to any shady border. I hope this guide has helped you learn more about the captivating Hosta Rainforest Sunrise. With its easy care requirements and stunning foliage, this perennial is sure to become a favorite in your garden.